Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where technology meets tomorrow. It is clear that we are living in a new era of innovation. The startup environment has expanded rapidly during the past few years. People are eager to put a lot of money into innovative businesses because they see innovation as the way of the future. Having said that, we have something that can get you thinking if you are the owner of a business or are going to start up. Our list is by no means comprehensive, but it does cover 18 of the best business ideas in India that will help you break into the competitive Indian market. Instead of holding yourself back from trying anything new, put your energy towards things that will make you money and make you known in the business world. Be there as the best new business ideas in India usher in a new era of entrepreneurship. 1. Computer science and technology. As India moves forward into the digital age, innovative companies are bringing a technological spin to age-old fields. The field of information technology/computer engineering has been in demand for quite some time, and this trend is only expected to increase. Therefore, a company operating in this sector offers excellent returns. New opportunities for urban innovation are emerging in India as the country enters the era of smart cities. 2. Exploration and mining of asteroids. This particular and potentially lucrative business idea is currently exclusive to the realm of science fiction films. On the other hand, as resources on Earth continue to grow scarcer, there looks to be an increase in the demand for rare metals and minerals, as well as an increase in the value of mining on satellites and asteroids. 3. Building body parts. The production of body parts is widely regarded as one of the most lucrative and fruitful business opportunities in India, and consequently, a great deal of capital has been invested in this sector. In tissue engineering, degradable polymers and stem cells are both utilized in various ways. 4. Mental health treatment facility. Since mental health may both initiate and affect physical health, it is generally agreed that it is just as vital, if not more so, than physical health. These days, therapists and psychologists put an extra effort to help their patients overcome mental health issues including depression, anxiety, and panic attacks. As the prevalence of mental illness rises, so will the demand for specialized care facilities. India's innovative company concepts are capitalizing on the country's burgeoning healthcare industry by putting an emphasis on personal care and wellness. 5. Bottled air. Because of this, the market for bottled and fresh air is likely to grow in India in the near future. Especially in urban areas, pollution has increased, making it difficult, if not impossible, to breathe clean air, and this is opening the door for the emerging bottled air industry. Only those willing to pay for it would have access to it. 6. Automobile charging station. Implementing these improvements and expanding this industry will be among the top business ideas in India as the use of electric vehicles becomes more widespread. The increasing popularity of electric vehicles is a major indicator that society is adopting a more eco-friendly lifestyle. India's new Smart Cities initiative is calling out to entrepreneurs with cutting-edge strategies for revitalizing metropolitan areas. 7. Veterinarians. There has been a recent uptick in the percentage of households with pets. The use of farm animals in manufacturing and agriculture is on the rise as well. In addition to these measures, we also keep an eye on whether or not the laws governing the care of these creatures are being followed. The demand for veterinarians will increase accordingly. A veterinary hospital will also be quite lucrative. 8. Pet store. Couples and singles alike are more interested in bringing a pet into their homes, driving increased demand for pets. They see it as a necessary expenditure for preserving their sanity and quality of life. This bodes well for the future of the pet product sector. 9. DNA sampling or reading. Reading the DNA of an individual may hold the key to diagnosing their ailment. Diseases and health issues in humans are often viewed as indicators of underlying mental health issues. Because of the potential for DNA reading to explain numerous medical marvels, scientists are becoming increasingly interested in the field. 10. Auditor for climate changing gases. Environmental pollution has far-reaching consequences. It's possible that our lives could be seriously impacted by things like famine, altered food resources, increased air pollution, and tainted water utilized by humans and animals. Therefore, there is a need for commercial options that can help remedy the situation. Leverage cutting-edge commercial strategies to open up new markets for renewable energy in India. 11. 3D printing. Despite widespread availability, 3D printing is still a top-tier idea for starting a successful company in India. A 3D printer may be out of reach financially for most people right now, but its use will only increase in the future. 12. Online learning. People are willing to spend a lot of money on higher education because they recognize its value. A paradigm shift is coming to India's education industry, propelled by innovative companies that promote distance education. The internet has become a significant way to make very large sums of money because of the many chances it provides for furthering one's education. The finest business concepts in India are related to online education, such as e-teaching and e-tutoring, online courses, and portals that provide lessons and seminars for paying customers, e-universities, e-trainings, exams for judging. 13. Privacy protecting organization. Technology and internet use have reached new heights in recent years. As a result, more of our private information, including pictures, financial details, such as credit card and bank account numbers, product preferences, and the identities of persons we come into contact with, is out in the open. Therefore, it is crucial that we have corporations striving to safeguard our privacy. 14. Robotics and mechanics. Robots are becoming used in many industries. They can carry things, relay information, and run specialized machinery. They aren't mature enough to help out around the house yet. But in the future, a robot that can multitask and handle even menial duties would be in high demand. New business models that strengthen India's freelancers are driving the country's economic growth. 15. Organic food. As farming has gotten more intensive, the focus has shifted away from quality and onto quantity, leading to a dramatic decrease in the price of food. Business experts agree that providing consumers with healthy, high-quality organic food is one of the most important and promising trends of the future. There has been a general rise in food ethics awareness. This has led to a rise in demand for organic and all-natural foods in recent years. Sustainable agriculture innovations in the business world will power India's green revolution. 16. Organizations for plastic recycling. Imagine there existed a machine that could turn all plastic trash into usable filament for 3D printers. Also, picture a system that would take your spent plastic and provide you shiny new shopping bags and cutlery in exchange. Given the abundance of free plastic in the oceans, it is a raw material simply waiting to be collected, cleaned, and sold for profit. Therefore, this can be a great chance for you to help the planet. 17. Deactivating robots, weapons, or equipment. The advent of AI-enabled robots for mundane tasks is already within reach for the human race. It poses a permanent risk to humankind's continued existence. The demand for entities developing safeguards to keep weapons and robotics under control will increase dramatically if certain corporations can develop anything with the potential to kill humanity. 18. Companies that offer cybersecurity services. The need for cybersecurity is growing as more transactions, businesses, and information are conducted online. Today's internet criminals employ such sophisticated methods that ordinary users need expert help to stay safe. As demand increases, a variety of security and encryption tools, as well as access control technology, will emerge as market leaders. So that's it for today, folks. To stay ahead of the curve and never miss out on the latest breakthroughs, hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to share this video with other future enthusiasts. Together, we'll unlock the mysteries of the future. Thank you.